Hello, my name is Elliot, and I'm here to talk a little bit about how to get rid of these icons in the right and left corners if you're using a GoPro Hero 10 or 9 over HDMI for live stream purposes. So I recently decided to upgrade to a GoPro Hero device for front cam. I replaced a Logitech Brio webcam for my front cam because I wanted to up the the image quality a little bit. But I didn't do enough research because I did need to, of course, do a little bit more digging and acquire more things in order to get that quality. So, of course, you can use GoPro Hero 10 for webcam purposes, but using just the straight webcam application, you do have lag. You have a kind of a grainy screen, so definitely not. It doesn't get to the level of the image quality that GoPros are known for. And so after getting the device, I tried the webcam application, and I did more reading after that and realized you did need to go down the HDMI route. On the GoPro Hero 10 and 9, they no longer have an HDMI out port as they did in prior GoPro Hero versions. So in order to get the HDMI out, you do need to get the media mod and use that. But even then, so once you get that functionality and plug in the GoPro just like another camera, you realize the functionality on the back screen goes out. It goes black, and you can't use it. And so from watching some videos, and of course, like when I plugged in the HDMI, I see these icons up here. It's like, so how do I get rid of these guys? And watching various videos out there, I did see one by a couple by Danny Black, I believe out of Australia, with using a GoPro Hero 9. He was able to he shot with this and didn't have the icons up there. So obviously there's a way to do that. And of course, and I toggled the views here just for purposes to demonstrate what you're looking for, is trying to get these on the lower right. You see this eye with the cross, and there's my finger pointing at it. But you can't get that on the back screen. So how do you do it? And I just did that using the Epic app on my phone. So I did some reading, and this took me maybe over the course of 2 days, doing some reading, watching more YouTube videos to see if I can find the pathway to do this. But from a GoPro community help file, I think some comments, some users out there suggested using the onboard features, the mode button and the shutter button in order to do that. So I'm not going to take the unit off, but toggling the shuttle button, you bring up that those same commands, same menu before, and to toggle from, bring this up again, you toggle through the options by hitting the mode button repeatedly till you get to this, and then you hit the shutter button, and then voila, you have a nice clean screen. Those icons are gone. So hopefully this will help someone out there. I'll try to put the meta tags on it so it's easily findable in this massive videos on YouTube. But anyway, thank you for for watching this. This is my first time trying to do a help file video and post it on YouTube, and I also have zero editing experience, so this is all done in one take. I've already done about like 8 or 9 takes of this. But anyhow, if you like what you see, give me a follow here, or follow me on Twitch. I spin house and techno on vinyl. Anyway, that's on the bottom corner. That's my address, my user information on Twitch. So thank you again, and happy streaming. We will see you again soon.